Hello friends, a warm welcome to Family Recipe Girl. Today let's learn how to make detox water or infused water. Actually we are heading into peak summer, so I thought this is the right time to introduce you to detox water. Detox water is nothing but infused water. It's a beautiful and refreshing way to stay hydrated, and the process of removing toxic substances from our system is called detoxification. Now, detox has many health benefits, but before we go into that, let us see how to do them or prepare them. So this is the basic detox ingredients that I'm going to teach you now. I have taken cucumber. Cucumber we have 2-3 varieties. One is this is beautifully tender. This is also tender, but this has its own charm. And we have the third variety, which is off-white or cream in color. That also will do. You can take any type of cucumber. So I've taken a few slices of both this and this variety, and a handful of mint leaves. Mint leaves is very good for oral health, and some lemon wedges and some ginger. And I have water here which is boiled and cooled. You can use AquaGuard water or RO water or whichever, but make sure it is nice and clean. And you can use ice cubes also, but I personally don't like it because let's try to be more natural. So what we do is, the capacity of this jug is 1 liter and I have filled it to 3/4, as you can see, because as we drop these into it, it will fill up. Simply drop these slices. I have made them into very thin slices, you can see. Drop them into the water. You can take all of them or how much ever you like, and just dunk them in the water. Now add a few fresh mint leaves. These are washed and cleaned. Just drop them into the jug. Add some ginger bits. I have sliced the ginger because this way the water will get infused faster. And some lemon wedges, thinly chopped, but then you need to be very careful not to add seeds of lemon because they will become bitter upon standing in the water. The water will become bitter, I mean. So drop them like this, give them a quick stir, and then let it stand like this. And this water needs to be used after about 2 to 3 hours. Let it stand like this for 2 to 3 hours. But in our Udupi weather, since it's very hot and humid, even after 1 hour you can start consuming it. And remember that once this 1 liter liquid is finished, you can replace it up to 3 times for the whole day. Just have a look at them. They look so refreshing and fresh, isn't it? So what you need to do is, after 1 hour or 2 hours, you can start drinking this water. Just close it with the lid and consume only the water. And at the end of the day, you can see that after replacing the water twice, you can see that the cucumber, lemon and ginger along with pudina would have infused the water beautifully, and the taste will be fantastic. Now in summer we are all tired of drinking loads and loads of water, right? So for a change, when you have infused water like this, it will be very tasty. And you should always remember that the water should be cool, not cold water from the fridge. If you prefer cold water, that will also do, but normally let's be as natural as possible. Let's keep boiled and cooled water, and you need to replace it at least thrice so that you can consume at least 3 liters of water a day, which is more than sufficient to battle dehydration. Now you need to remember that you should always put the water in glass jars, not in plastic. Plastic is a big no. You can even use metal like stainless steel, which is very good. You can use this also. They also are equally good. But just remember that if you make the detox water in a bottle jar, it will be that much more attractive, and eye appeal plays an important role here. Suppose you're working on your lappy, just keep this jar next to you, and whenever you feel thirsty, drink water from this jar. And without your knowledge, you will be reaching out to the water every now and then because it tastes that wonderful. So please go ahead and try this. Now next, detox water makes use of fresh orange, some lemon wedges and pudina. Just drop the lemon orange or wedges into the water like this. Always remember to de-seed them. The seeds tend to make the water bitter, and do not consume the water if it is very sour or fermented in taste. Now add 2-3 lemon wedges and a few sprigs of leaves of pudina. Quickly give it a stir and then leave it for about an hour to get infused, and then you can use it. Please remember that if the water turns bitter or you get a fermented taste, do not use it. It will do more harm than good. Now close it with the lid and let it stay for this for around 1 hour. If you prepare this detox water at around 6 in the morning, you can start consuming it by 8 o'clock easily. The third recipe is with sweet lime or musambi as we call it. Again, remember that you should de-seed this. Do not use it along with the seed. The water will turn bitter. Simply drop it in the water, as many slices as you like this. Some lemon slices, few ginger bits and 1 or 2 sprigs of pudina leaves. Give it a quick stir and let it stand for 1 hour before consuming. And now we have a very healthy detox recipe for Weight Watchers. We have apple and cinnamon. What we need to do is, the apple should be de-seeded, cut into thin slices, drop it in the water, as many slices as you want. At the end of the day, you can eat the slices also, but they'll be very bland because all the goodness of the fruit would have been infused in the water. Now what we need to do is just add less than 1/4 teaspoon, just 2 pinches of cinnamon powder. This is homemade cinnamon powder, and then just drop it into the water. Now to give it a beautifully natural taste, you can either add the cinnamon powder or drop 2 of these pieces cinnamon, the bark of the tree, into the water and use it. Now since I've already added the powder, I'm not adding the cinnamon bark. Or you could even infuse it with cloves, 2 or 3, that will do. Give it a good mix, stir it really well, and then let it stand for an hour before consuming. But what I have observed in Udupi is, since the weather is hot and humid, within half an hour you can start consuming this. Last recipe for today is grapes infused water. Now I have few grapes that I have cut like this. These are seedless grapes, 1/2 cuts, and then I have lemon wedges here, some ginger and some pudina. Just drop all of these into the jug. Now I don't have another transparent jug, so I've just added into this. Just drop them into this. Give it a quick stir and then leave it for an hour to infuse. Then they are all ready to be. Some may feel the water to be a little bland, and if you prefer, you can add honey. Honey is a natural sweetener, so you can add this half a teaspoon to each of the infused flavors. Then you can go natural with a tiny bit of jaggery piece, or those who have gas problem can go with jeera powder, sauteed jeera powder. Look, just half a teaspoon, or saunf. You can use this also. Just drop them in the water and make sure you don't get it in your mouth while drinking, or you could choke. Remember the following tips. You need to replace the water 3 times a day from morning till evening, late evening, and stop consuming after 7 p.m. You could try the pineapple infused water also. Pineapple, as you know, will be sweet and sour, so that infused water will be very tasty. You can try melon, pudina, a little bit of lemon, and that also tastes very nice. But you should be extra careful with melons because they tend to ferment very fast in hot and humid weather. And please remember that you need to consume it for at least 2 to 3 weeks before you can feel the effect of it in your system. You can add honey, jaggery, or sugar candy. Sugar candy is that kade sakkar, which we GSBs call it, or kallu sakkare in Kannada, or sugar candy in English. 1 piece of it will suffice. And if the infused water is sour, do not consume it. Discard it, as the fruits would have fermented and it's not going to do any good. The health benefits of consuming this is a lot more. So first thing is weight loss. Now people who are health conscious and Weight Watchers can go ahead and consume this happily because it helps in weight loss. It balances the pH of the body, and the water consumption increases because you reach out to it every now and then. So it will increase your energy levels too. It reduces cravings. You won't go for those pre-dinner or pre-lunch cravings. It improves complexion. The more water you drink, the more hydrated you are, your complexion glows. So that is another plus. Then it detoxes. The toxins from your body are removed beautifully, and it helps in better digestive system. So your health improves. It reduces stress and hence improves your mood. It's very good for your liver, and your nutritions from the food are absorbed better. It cures gas and acidity. But those who have severe acidity, please remember that you should avoid lemon in the water. Then it's loaded with antioxidants and vitamin C, because all the fruits that we have used here to vitamin C, lemon also, and pudina is always refreshing and very good for your oral health. So stay fit, stay healthy, and click pics and post for that personal touch in the comment section, and let us know how you loved the infused water or detox water. Now please go ahead and try this and stay happy and cheerful always. Thanks for watching.